The difference between an AWS region and an availability zone. A region is a geographic area containing multiple data centers, whereas an availability zone is a data center inside a region. So region is technically not an actual object, you can say, it's just a name. For example, India region. So AP South 1 is a region, and inside that there can be multiple data centers. The data centers either might be in the same city, might be in different cities, or might be in the proximity of a few kilometers to be 100 kilometers as well. That depends on how Amazon prefers to structure it. But all the data centers in a single region ideally should be as close to each other as possible. Ideally, the latency between each of these availability zones should be between 1 to 5 milliseconds, because the data at times needs to be replicated. Whereas if you are in different regions, the latencies can go up to 100 ms or maybe more. So AWS has regions spread across the globe. They have one in India, which is in Mumbai. They're building a new one in Hyderabad as well. And they have different in US, and they have presence in UK, South Africa, Australia as well. So you can visit the official website and actually see an exact map, and that shows you the regions. But it only shows you the number of availability zones. But AWS never discloses to you where exactly these 3 data centers are located technically. For example, you can see there are 3 availability zones in Mumbai, but you can never know where exactly are they located. At least AWS won't tell you officially. So in context of multi-region application, let's say your application is running in 2 regions. So you have separate Kubernetes cluster running in region 1 and another in region 2. Your worker nodes of Kubernetes in region 1 will be split across multiple availability zones, whereas in region 2 your workers will also be split across multiple availability zones. Now let's say one data center goes through an outage due to power outages or some other XYZ reasons. Then you still have nodes running on other data center that can still serve the traffic. For most people, this setup is enough because they can serve traffic with very high availability with this. But for a lot of people who have multi-region setups, they have something like a global accelerator, and they route traffic to different load balancers which are in different regions. However, this setup is far more complicated because you have to keep data also in each region, and you have to worry about data replication and stuff. To make things clear once more, a region is nothing but a place, an area, and it's just a concept, whereas an availability zone is basically a data center actually located somewhere inside a region. So I hope this explanation helped you guys. We'll catch up again in some other video. Thank you.